2 years ago, this guy turns to me and asks, "So, what do you do for fun?" And bro, I froze. The truth? I'd spend my evenings binge watching Game of Thrones, scrolling TikTok, and gaming till 2 a.m. But obviously, I wasn't gonna say that. So I half mumbled something like, I don't know. I like to hang out with friends. He gave me a polite nod, smiled, and turned back to the group like I hadn't even spoken. I went home, sat on my bed, opened the notes app, and just started writing. Everything I hated about where I was. Every part of myself I was tired of. And then, everything I wanted to become. Skills, traits, vision. That night, I decided to go all in. I committed to upgrading every part of myself, just so I could finally walk into a room and know I had some value. I wanted to be the guy that walks in and everybody turns their heads. And now, I'm giving you the exact blueprint I followed. Number 1. Art of communication. Most guys talk and no one listens. But when a man who has presence speaks, everyone in the room turns their head. You can tell everything about a man by how he speaks. If you sound unsure, nervous, or rushed, it bleeds into how people treat you. And it's so simple to get it fixed, okay? Record your voice daily for 2 minutes to get used to hearing your tone. Listen to it and reiterate what you feel like sounds bad. Do it till you find your voice deep and strong. And I later realized so many things I can improve on. For example, practicing silence. Don't rush in to fill gaps in conversations. Study speakers like Jordan Peterson or Tate and mimic their tempo and weight. Just try to talk like them. Okay, they have the experience. Number 2, martial arts. A man who knows how to fight doesn't need to prove it. His calm said it all. You don't need to fight. You need to know you can. Boxing or martial arts rewires your brain. It kills fear. It builds posture. It gives you calm dominance. Okay, join a local gym. Boxing, Muay Thai. Even if it's just shadow boxing at home. Focus on learning your stance, your footwork, and how to breathe under pressure, okay? That will attract the feminine energy that you want. Number 3, overall health and optimizing yourself. Okay, so you want to grow up fast? Bro, hit the gym. I literally went from a 2 to a 6 out of 10 in 2 months. Look at my results. Okay, it's absolutely insane how fast it goes. I am on no steroids. I just followed a good diet and gym 3 times a week. You want this? Go to the gym. You want jawline? Go to the gym. Just start with a simple push-pull legs routine. You can search that up on YouTube 3 times per week. Try walking about 10,000 steps daily to de-bloat and cut fat. And what most men neglect is posture. Train your neck, brother, to not have this. You don't need expensive clothes to look good. You just need to stop dressing like your mom still buys your clothes. Being aesthetic isn't about obsessing over fashion. It's about not looking like you live in a Discord server. Just don't be one of those. It's all about fitting. You could wear a $10 H&M t-shirt and still look clean if it fits right. Dress like your future depends on it, because it does. Trim the patchy beard, get a real haircut, and one signature fragrance daily. Not Dior Sauvage. You're not an NPC. Grab something with identity. Tom Ford, Prada, Maison Margiela. Smell like an autonomous person. And Instagram is very underrated. It's a reflection of who you are when no one's looking. It's what girls stalk when you leave the room. It's what business partners check before replying to your DMs. Try to use good lighting and keep your feed clean and intentional. Archive the meme reposts. No one cares about that 2017 group picture. Show moments of your life that reflect effortless value. You lifting, you reading, you building. Just keep it subtle. And here is some reference on how it should look like. Again, it shouldn't be your priority. Your priority is becoming a man, but in the digital age, a social media persona is important. And in my opinion, the best one, calisthenics. I've always loved lifting weights, but adding calisthenics to my routine, that changed everything. There's just nothing else like it. Watching someone hit a clean muscle up or hold a handstand with perfect form, it hits different. It's just a total flex. Calisthenics teaches you patience, teaches you progression. You start with the most basic stuff, push-ups, squats, planks, and at first, it feels humbling. But day by day, you get stronger, your body adapts, you will start doing insane stuff you never thought would be possible. You develop this crazy level of body awareness. You start feeling how your muscles work together, like you're in sync with yourself. You don't just look strong like in gym. And yeah, let's be real, a calisthenics body just looks different. It's lean, defined, functional. You're not walking around bulky and stiff. You're agile, composed, and confident. You're building something that moves beautifully. And that's rare. If there's one thing I've learned, is that no one's coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not some book or this video. Pick one skill and commit.